Hey, sailor. How you like it?
No bridges.
No bridges. That's always a plus. Where's that? Does it show on the chart what city that is?
That's still Hollywood.
I know, we passed it. We passed Golden Beach. Way down there. 9.87 miles to Miami. And then we're going to go in, and we're going to anchor. And then we're going to go across Biscayne Bay. And then we're in the Keys. Our new home. Beautiful day. Not very much wind, but we got enough wind for both sails up.
Enough for me.
Asti says enough for now, but we'll get her there. She's not puking.